Are you a data scientist looking to enhance your professional portfolio? If you're looking for ideas to add to or enhance your professional portfolio, I have 4 specific ideas. The very first idea is to build a Rosetta Stone. A Rosetta Stone is an excellent addition to any data science portfolio. If you're not 100% sure exactly what a Rosetta Stone is, I'll get into that in just a moment. My name is Adam Ross Nelson and I'm a data scientist. Overall, this channel is for current and aspiring data professionals who are looking to enter and level up in the field. This video is covering 4 specific tips that you can use to add to or enhance your professional portfolio in data science. The first tip is to build a Rosetta Stone. So it's not a mystery that we have at least 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 computer programming languages that we can use to do our work. We have R, we have Python, we have Stata, we have MATLAB, we have SPSS, and we have SQL. And we can accomplish most tasks in most of those languages. This is why building a Rosetta Stone is an excellent addition to any data science portfolio. This is the first tip that I have for you in this particular video. Building a Rosetta Stone involves making a project in one language and then replicating that project in at least one other language, sometimes 2 other languages. When you're done, you will have side-by-side code examples from 3 separate languages. This will do several things for you and your portfolio. You will learn a lot about all 3 languages. You will now also have a reference for yourself and for others. Anyone who's going from one language to the other can use your Rosetta Stone to help translate their work in the future. You too can use that as a translation for your work. This is a great addition to any data science portfolio because you can use an existing project that you have and you can simply port it over into another language. If you don't have an existing project that you want to port over into another language, you can borrow someone else's project. Find someone else's project that they built in Python and you can port it to R, or the other way around. That's the first tip. The second tip that I have for you that can add to or enhance any data science portfolio is going to be to build a cheat sheet. Author a cheat sheet. Choose a framework or choose a statistical package or choose a language that you are familiar with. Or maybe it's a method that you are familiar with. Build a cheat sheet surrounding that method, that framework, that language, that package, or that tool. If you build a cheat sheet, this will do several things for you and your portfolio. It will help you learn more about your topic. It will also provide for you and others a future reference, and it is a solid artifact that you can add to your data science portfolio. Also, if you build a cheat sheet that others find useful, they will circulate it for you. With your contact information on that cheat sheet, you will build your know, like, and trust factor across the field. The third tip that I have for you on building or enhancing a data science portfolio. Write an article about a tool that you like. Choose a tool that nobody else has already written about or that few others have written about, or if many others have written about this tool, find a new angle or a new aspect, explain what you like about the tool, and find an innovative demonstration that illustrates the capacity and capabilities of the tool. If you can find a novel use for an existing tool, that also is great fodder for an article that once again you can write about a tool that you like. That brings me to my 4th main tip for building, adding to, or enhancing a data science portfolio. Write an article about a tool that you don't like. This is one that you have to approach diplomatically. Don't just tear apart a tool or a package or a software or platform for the sake of tearing it apart in order to make yourself look smart by identifying the problems with a tool, a package, or a platform. All tools and platforms and packages have problems. Nothing is perfect. So when you do this one, pick a tool, pick a platform, pick a package, pick a software that you don't like. It doesn't meet a need that you have. Maybe there's a specific bug that you've discovered which is not yet documented in the documentation or not yet known to the creators. Write an article demonstrating that flaw, demonstrating that weakness. Just focus on one flaw, one weakness, one reason that you don't like whatever it is that you're writing about. Make sure that you are not critical of the engineers. Attack the bug, not the creators. If you do this right, you can actually submit your article with an issue on GitHub or whatever issue tracking platform the tool creator is using. I've done this a few times, and my articles have sometimes led to improvements in the tool, the platform, the framework, or the language. Once again, this fourth item, be careful and be diplomatic. That's my 4 tips on building or enhancing a data science portfolio. I'll put this list in the video description, and I will put links to articles which also talk about this topic and some additional resources. I'll put some links to Rosetta Stones. I'll put some links to cheat sheets. I'll put a link to a video that talks about how to make your own cheat sheet. I'll put a link to an article that talks about a package platform software that I enjoy, and I'll put a link to an article to a package platform software that I have had issues with and that eventually led to an improvement in, an enhancement in that tool. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, I hope you'll hit subscribe, I'll hit the bell button so you will find out when additional videos become available. I definitely hope you learned something, I hope you had a little bit of fun, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Don't forget, you're more ready than you think you are. Hit subscribe, check out these other videos, and let's connect. I look forward to being in touch.